A small video just to show you how to edit some of these graphs. Size of this, so I go to line and weights. The weight that I want to use for all of these graphs for the axes is 3 points, right? So I choose 3 point, and I want to choose this blue color. And in order to make sure that it is the same one, I go to more colors, and this one is 4 zeros and FF. Yeah, so if I choose that, then the next time for the same slides, the next time it would be visible under recent colors. So the whole palette of colors that you choose for this one round of PowerPoint presentations would be visible here under recent colors. Right, so in case you shut down the PowerPoint presentation, the next time you open it, these recent colors would not be available for you. Okay, so it's for the same session. All right, and the second color that I am using for the graphs, what I'm doing is I am using the same width 3 point, and the color that I'm using, again, I'm going to go into more colors so that I can actually, there is CC0CC, and the one that I am using is FF00CC. Yeah, this is the color. And select OK, and that's the color here. The third color that I'm using is this purple. So we have blue, and then we have the pink, and then we have the purple color to distinguish between them. So the purple color that I'm using, again, we go into the weight is always going to be 3 points for most of these graphs, and for all of them actually, unless I specify that I want some graph which is of thinner width. Most of them would be 3 points, so 3 point again, and the color, go to more colors, and I'm choosing a purple. It's 6633FF. Yeah, so that's the color for the purple. For the headings, it's Time New Roman. So the text for everything that might be on the slide is Times New Roman, but for the heading, it is 24. Sorry, not Times New Roman, I'm just using Times. I think there's a small difference, Times 24, and for the headings of these axes, it is going to be Times 20. Now these ones I have used insert objects, and I have put the equation down. For a lot of them you can just copy and paste, and if I wanted to add an equation, I can use the Word, but Word does not give us the structure where you have the numerator and denominator separated by a line, horizontal line. So what you can do is you go to insert, you can't see that here, and I will insert an object equation, Microsoft equation. So I go to Microsoft equation, and it opens up this window where I can type different equations. So the ones where I want the numerator and denominator separately, I'll use this. Wherever there's an intersection, I like to put these dots, and I'm using, if you click on it, then it asks you which structure do you want or which style do you want, and I have been choosing a style here which has a small 3-dimensional touch to it. So if I just choose this, it gives me 3-dimensional touch. If I click on this again, and if I look here, it tells us what the height and the width is as well. If you choose this, then as you change the width, when you're moving things, it moves it by a certain distance, right? But if you want it to be a smaller distance than that, you can press Control, and while holding Control down, if you press up and down, it would move the graph or the line by a much smaller distance. Okay. As far as what the distance should be for the title from the graph or from the top, I'll just eyeball it right now.